channel, and today's video is going to be a Mother's Day box swap video. I'm super excited because we get to celebrate each other and celebrate moms, and this is also a collab with 3 other YouTube mamas here on YouTube, and we all had to basically shop for each other. So, each of us got one person. I got Missy, and I will have her channel down below in the description box along with all the links so you can check out all of the videos. The person that had me was Vanessa from Twin Mom Plus One. So, she sent me a box, and I have not opened it at all, you guys. Like, this is sealed shut. I have a little pocket knife here to open it, and you guys are going to see my first reaction and all of that good stuff, and you're going to see the gifts the first time, well, I'm seeing them for the first time. So, really exciting. I just want to let you guys know that I wish all of you moms out there a happy Mother's Day, and that you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and that you are celebrated in some kind of way by your loved ones because you deserve it. We are full force like superheroes. Before I get started, if you're over here from any of the girls' channels and you like my video or you want to check out some of my other videos down in my description box and possibly subscribe, I would absolutely love that. I would love to have you here as part as my little family. So let's get into this good stuff because I am ready to get some gifts. Who isn't? So I'll go ahead and show you the inside of the box first. A mother is she who can take the place of all others, but whose place no one else can take. Oh, that's so sweet. I'm so excited. The front of the card, it has like eyeshadow palettes. Hey Lindsay, thank you so much for joining in the Mother's Day box swap fun. I had a blast shopping and selecting the perfect goodies for you. I hope you feel special and pampered. You deserve it and more. Mama, enjoy. Love, Vanessa. Twin Mom Plus One. So cute. Make sure you go over and head over to her channel too to see what someone bought her. So you just kind of gotta watch all the videos, and you can get great ideas too if you're like buying Mother's Day gifts for your mother or, you know, a friend or something. These are gonna be great ideas. So this is what the box looks like in the inside, you guys. It's absolutely beautiful. It says, Mama, you're the bomb. Treat yourself. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much. Like, that packaging's on point. So let's go ahead and dive right in, you guys. So this is the first thing here. This is so awesome. I love this box swap stuff. It feels like it's my birthday. Oh my gosh, I love white chocolate. I just want to try it. Should I just try it for you guys? Oh my god, it's so creamy when I broke it off. I absolutely love white chocolate, you guys. It tastes amazing. It tastes better than any white chocolate I usually have. So it's Lind, L-I-N-D-T, classic recipe. Yum. So the next thing is this little box here, which this is such a beautiful color. Oh, Sun-Kissed Citrus Bath Bomb. This is by Scentsy. Oh my god, and I could already smell it. You guys, these are like my first Scentsy products. Oh my god, she just made me fall in love. I don't know much about Scentsy, but I know it's like a lot of people do it for their business, and they sell all kinds of different things. Oh my god. That's the bath bomb, and it smells so amazing. And you guys know I love that like orange happy smell. Oh my god. I highly recommend this, and I haven't even tried it out just because the smell is so amazing. But I will let you guys know how I like it in my bath, and I feel like I'm going to be using it tonight. And ever since I started working out religiously again, I have been taking baths often and enjoying my the bath salts and all of those things. So that was perfect. All right, next box is this other cute wrapping here. Ooh, what is this? It says Twixie. Oh, wearable nail polish holder. Oh my god, you guys, this is so interesting. Yeah, so as you can see right there, you just put it on your fingers, so when you paint your fingers, you can keep your nail polish bottle on there. And yeah, that's so smart and so cute. So I never had anything like this. That's super cool and exciting. All right. Then this Oh, and that's gonna be really good for when I'm like painting Ava's nails and my toes and stuff. Okay, so surviving motherhood 1 drop at a time is what she says on this little package. Oh, it's Scentsy. I think Scentsy was like warmers. You know, I think someone has sent me some warmers before, a long time ago. It says Scentsy Essential Oil Blend Dash Lemon Zest Fresh Orange Lime. Ooh, sounds like stuff that I love. This bottle is beautiful, you guys. I'm gonna do some up close shots, but it's like purple and pretty and fun. Oh my god, it smells amazing, and I'm obsessed with lime too. So. All right, and then the next thing is wrapped up in this little tissue. It says #MomBoss, and this is Who is the Boss nail polish. Let's see what color. Oh my god, I love this color. It's like a grayish bluish. So I really love this color. It's super pretty. I need to have some more chocolate. Is it bad that I want to like stop recording real quick so I can have another piece of chocolate? So this also says, she wrote, #MomLife leggings, coffee, mascara, and oh, it's dry shampoo. It's Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Shampooing Express. So I do like Batiste. This is a dry shampoo, shampooing in a second. So just a little spray. So the next thing is this right here. And it says, happiness is the smell of a freshly clean home. Yes, this speaks out to me. I'm excited for this. Oh, what is it? Fuzzy Fingers Mini Microfiber Mitt Machine Washable. You can clean like your cell phone. It has a picture of like the cell phone, and you can clean your iPad or your laptop with this. This is so cute. It's literally gonna be designated for those electronics that need its like own towel. I love that. This is like really awesome. Thank you. All right, next thing. Got a couple more things, you guys. So this is the next package, and it says motherhood. It takes patience, a sense of humor, and a lot of moist towels. So I'm thinking some kind of wipe. She is really creative. Vanessa, you're really creative. Because I did not write all of this little rhymes and riddles. It's so cute. Yep, perfect. So these right here, they say brush. So it's Mystic, cleanliness and softness sensation for all your skin, body, hands, and face. So wet wipes for women. Love, absolutely love. I'm always using wipes and stuff because my makeup and working out and things like that. So much needed. Our children are the greatest blessings made with love by me. Oh, our children are the greatest blessings, and then she put made with love by me. So she made whatever is in here, she made it. So I'm excited. Oh, that's so sweet. You guys, she made these little bracelets, and one says Ava and one says Isaiah. This is so sweet. Oh my God, how thoughtful. Thank you so much. I love these. They're gonna be excited just to get something. Thank you so much. So creative. So this last box is refresh after a great workout. She's so cute. Okay, this says Coop and Daisy Gym Kit. Wow. It says it's a lip balm, a repair lip balm, new cleansing water, refined face hydrator, refreshed face mist. Wow, I'm really excited. The face mist is formulated with like coconut and rose water, and it looks like all of this stuff is natural ingredients, which is amazing because you guys know I'm all about non-toxic and natural ingredients. Yeah, awesome, girl. Thank you so much, Vanessa. That was extremely sweet. You did an amazing job shopping. You're a very creative person. So thank you. It means the world to me. I will cherish all of these things, and I'm so grateful to have been a part of this group. Thank all of you ladies for including me, and it's been really, really fun. Make sure that you go and check out Katrina and Vanessa and Missy's channel. They are going to be doing box swap videos from each other also, and you don't want to miss out, and then also see what I got Missy. So thank you ladies, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a beautiful weekend, and I love you guys so much, and happy Mother's Day to all of you wonderful mothers out there. and our mothers and our grandmothers and all of that stuff. So thank you so much, and I love you, and subscribe, hit that subscribe button and that alert button if you want to join my family here on YouTube. I'll see you guys.